All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Excel to your computer. It's a few short steps, fairly quick here. So we're going to use a internet browser. So I have Google Chrome, and we're just going to click to open that. You might have Microsoft Edge, or you might have Firefox, just whatever you use to access the internet. Then when you get there, in this top bar along the top, just type in google.com. So Google, we're going to search for Microsoft Excel, and we just want to make sure that we're secure and find the right one. So just in here, we're going to type Excel download and then search. So we're just going to click on it, and then it's going to search for us. And then the top result, since it's in Google, will be the correct one. Google will show you the correct one. So it says download this. Now it's a little tricky, the language here, because it's download Microsoft 365. So this is actually downloading all the programs that you need, including Excel. So there's a Word document, there's an Excel, which is what we want. And then there's things like PowerPoint. I think it comes with somewhere around 10 different programs. So we might not need all of them or even close to all of them, but that's what it's going to do for us. So pretty much we click on download for Windows unless you have a Apple computer. So we click on that, and let's just walk through what happens. So right away, you can see that there's something that popped up here, but so you can either click on that, but you could also just go to your File Explorer, this little file thing down here, or if you can't find that, it should be under the Start menu, or you could just search for it right here. But go to the File Explorer, then you go over here to Downloads along the left, and then you'll see that there's this setup. Now you'll double click that setup, and from there you'll just simply walk through the steps that it asks you to go through. It'll prompt you to go through the steps, and before you know it, you'll have Microsoft Excel installed on your computer. So that is all for this video. Hopefully that helped, and thank you for watching.